Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home innovation. Today, we're diving into the Home Techpro Rug Pads Grippers, a product designed to solve that age-old problem of rugs slipping and curling at the edges. If you're tired of constantly adjusting your rug, these grippers are the perfect solution. They use a vacuum technology that firmly holds your rug in place, preventing unwanted movement without leaving marks on your floor. This is a game changer for anyone with high traffic areas or rugs that just won't stay put. So, what makes these grippers stand out? First, they're designed with tiny suction pores that create a low-pressure effect when pressure is applied. This ensures your rug stays securely in place. Not only are they highly effective, but they're also thin, less than 1/10 of an inch, so they're practically invisible once installed. And with a 12-piece set, you can secure multiple corners of your rug, ensuring maximum stability, whether in the kitchen, bathroom, or hallway. One of the biggest advantages of these rug grippers is how easy they are to install and remove. They don't leave any sticky residue behind, so you don't have to worry about damaging your floors. Plus, they're washable, which means you can reuse them over and over again without any hassle. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or another smooth, hard surface, these grippers will keep your rug flat and in place. They are not recommended for use with rubber-backed rugs or jute rugs, so be sure to check your rug's backing before purchasing. With these rug pads, not only do you get a practical solution for keeping your rug in place, but you also add a layer of comfort underfoot due to the slightly bouncy nature of the suction technology. These grippers are ideal for preventing slips, making your home safer, and ensuring that your rug looks great without constantly shifting. If you're ready to say goodbye to curling rugs and hello to a safer, more stable home, the Home Techpro Rug Pads Grippers are definitely worth considering. They're reliable, reusable, and affordable. Make sure to check them out and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique.